The temperature sensor is a critical part of the oven heating system. If your oven temperature is significantly off, then it's likely that the temperature sensor is faulty. The oven sensor is a heat-sensitive resistor known as a thermistor. The control board sends an electrical current through the sensor to determine the temperature. As the temperature increases, so does the resistance. Based on these readings, the control board will cycle the heating elements on and off to maintain the cooking temperature. We can test the resistance to verify if the sensor is defective. If the resistance is outside of the rated values, then the control board will misread the temperature and will overcompensate. This can cause the oven to overheat or underheat. You can see how to test and replace the sensor in the video linked below. Additionally, if the sensor fails and has no resistance, then it will prevent both elements from working. In many cases, you'll see a temperature sensor error code. For Whirlpool models, this will likely be an F3E0 or an F3E1 code. Frigidaire and General Electric models will show an F3 or an F4 code. If you're unsure, then check your oven manual. Now, if you didn't get a code and you're unsure that the sensor is the problem, then you can watch more in the troubleshooting videos linked below. If you found this episode helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And when you need a replacement part, you can get it online or in one of our reliable parts locations. Thanks for watching.